Hi friends, today in this video let us understand the adding and subtracting of two matrices in Excel. So this is a matrix A, this one is matrix B. So for this addition what we have to do is select the three matrices because this is a 3 by 3 matrices. So the result will be 3 by 3 matrices. So I have selected three matrices in the formula bar equal to select the matrix A, then plus select the matrix B. Now select Control Shift and enter. So we will get the addition here. So this is the addition matrix. Now similarly do for the subtraction. Select the 3 by 3 matrix. Go to the formula bar equal to select the matrix 1 minus select the matrix 2. Control Shift enter. So this is how we have to do the adding and subtracting of the two matrices.